How much money can an average skilled hacker expect to make by doing bug bounties 40 hours a week? 40 hours a week is a lot of time. Could it replace a corporate job? Most definitely it could. If you're an average skilled hacker, you can expect to find a couple of bugs in that time frame, and if you're smart enough and know where to look for and know what programs to participate in, you can definitely surpass the amount of money you would be earning in a corporate job. So as I've said previously, and as I'm talking in my Recon for Cybersecurity course, let's say if you know how to look for external programs, there are maybe tens of thousands of external programs, and by this I mean programs outside of platforms, which have responsible disclosure policies, and those programs see very few eyes. So very few bug bounty hunters actually engage in that. Why? Because a lot of you guys care a lot about fame and a lot about the points and the rankings you have on your HackerOne or Bugcrowd profile. And that's why a lot of you guys stick to those platforms. But if you don't care about that, if you don't care about the rankings and all that stuff, there are a lot of programs out there that pay money, external bounty programs that pay money if you send the valid reports. And those programs, you are very much likely to find vulnerabilities and valid reports, non-duplicate reports, which a lot of you guys are looking for, non-duplicate reports on those external programs than you would find on a public program on a public platform. Even the private programs on these platforms, even those are quite saturated. You get a lot of, so I'm actually participating in private programs on these platforms, and I also see duplicates in there. I'm not saying, I don't have anything against platforms, it's just a plus or minus. It depends on what you want. If you care about your reputation, if you care about increasing reputation and being high on a leaderboard, you'd probably be looking for a platform program. If you don't care about that, if you care about hacking, if you care about just hacking and money, you can participate in external programs that you could find yourself. Depending on what you want, you would be using a platform or external program, or you could use both. I use both of them. Level up your skills in bug bounty hunting and penetration testing with my course Recon in Cybersecurity, and master the fascinating world of reconnaissance. Link below.